Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to show you how to download the Gacha Snow game absolutely free on your mobile. First up, let's get that browser open. I'm rocking Chrome, but you can use whatever you prefer. Step 1, open your browser and type Gacha News into Google. Step 2, click on the first link that says gachanews.com. It's the one you want. Step 3, you'll see an awesome interface. Head straight to the search box at the top. Step 4, type in Gacha Snow and hit enter. Click on the first post that appears. Now scroll down a bit. Step 5, look for the download button. You'll see the Gacha Snow download option. Click it. Step 6, after a few seconds, you'll be redirected to a new page. Step 7, click on the download option from MediaFire. And just like that, the Gacha Snow app will start downloading automatically to your mobile. Once the download is complete, go ahead and install the game, and you're all set to start playing. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment below, and make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos.